Vishwakarma Jayanti is a day of celebration for Vishwakarma, a Hindu god, the divine architect. He is considered as a Swayambhu and creator of the world. He constructed the holy city of Dwarka where Krishna ruled, the palace of Indraprasth for the Pandavas, and was the creator of many fabulous weapons for the gods. He is also called the divine carpenter, is mentioned in the Rig Veda, and is credited with Sthapatya Veda, the science of mechanics and architecture. According to sacred Hindu tradition, Vishwakarma is known as the divine engineer of the world. Like every other god, Vishwakarma is assigned a day that is his birthday or Jayanti, that is Vishwakarma Jayanti. Since he is known as the original creator of the world, he existed a few days before he created the world. Vishwakarma had 5 sons and 2 daughters. Names of the sons are Manu, Maidev, Tavastha, Shilpi, and Devagya. The divine craftsman Vishwakarma is the presiding deity of all craftsmen and architects. Son of Brahma, he is the divine craftsman of the whole universe and the official builder of all the gods' palace. Vishwakarma Jayanti falls on Kanya Sankranti of Hindu calendar. It is generally celebrated every year on Georgian calendar date between 16th to 18th of September, which is on the last day of the Indian Bhado month in solar calendar. Solar calendar observed by states such as Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Odisha, and Tripura. The festival is also celebrated in Nepal. Haldia, an industrial area in West Bengal, is famous for Vishwakarma Puja. Festival is observed primarily in factories and industrial areas, often on the shop floors. As a mark of reverence, the day of worship is marked not only by the engineering and architectural community, but by artisans, craftsmen, mechanics, welders, industrial workers, factory workers, and others. They pray for a better future, safe working conditions, and above all, success in their respective fields. Workers also pray for the smooth functioning of various machines. Vishwakarma Puja is also celebrated a day after Diwali, along with Govardhan Puja in October-November. On this occasion, pictures and special statues of Lord Vishwakarma are installed in the factories and workplaces. Vishwakarma Puja Vidhi. Rise early and take a bath. Cleanse the puja room with Gangajal. Then take a wooden chowki and cover it with yellow cloth. Place idols or images of Lord Ganesha, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishwakarma on the chowki. Then pray to Lord Ganesha and seek his blessings for hurdle-free puja. Apply Kumkum Tilak to Ganeshji, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishwakarma. Then light an oil or ghee lamp. Offer flowers and incense sticks to the deities. Do dhyan. Pray to Lord Vishwakarma with folded hands and closed eyes for success in your business, factory, workshop, office, and seek his blessings for trouble-free working atmosphere. Then chant the mantras dedicated to Lord Vishwakarma. Offer bhog, which is vegetarian food preparations made without garlic and onion. Then do arti. Conclude with a namaskar and do kshama yachna. Ask for forgiveness for any mistake that you may have committed during the puja.